Okay. Had a day off yesterday because I had to go into work, but we're back today, and I had some decent trades on Monday that I want to go over. So, Bitcoin's like it's finally reversed and is heading up for now, but since it broke this major resistance zone that I was struggling to break before. So, I took a trade on Bitcoin on Monday. It was meant as a scalp trade. I figured out these a couple of support zones here, and it looked like it was holding the support zone pretty well, so I went ahead and entered. I think it might have been on the hourly actually that I entered, not the 5-minute. Sorry, let me orient here. Now I'm in the 5-minute or the 15-minute, but it was pretty strong and was holding the support, so went ahead and entered, and didn't hit this resistance zone. I could have secured a little more profit if I targeted that as a profit target rather than my stop, but I'm still happy with this. And obviously I could have turned this scalp into a swing position because Bitcoin is way up in the 43,000s now. So I could have, trailed my stop under these pullbacks, so under this resistance zone here, or support zone now. And that would have been pretty decent, but I'm happy with the trade still because it started as a scalp and it ended as well, so yeah, pretty happy with it. So sorry, let me reset that. Let's go check out some of my watches today. Link was another trade I took, and I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. The entry here, I was actually a little late on it. So I initially pulled back this candle, and so I bought at its near low. And let's see here. Because it came down and bounced off this 4-hour hold and was looking like a pretty strong uptrend, obviously. So went ahead and bought after the accumulation candle closed. Stop. I don't know if it was on the 5-minute. Yeah, it was on the 5-minute, I think. Which I probably should have done on the hourly, but not that because it obviously rejected at this zone here. I got stopped out on this level here. So again, I could have just profit targeted this resistance zone and got a little more profit. But you never know if it's just gonna break it and shoot up. Of this trade as a scalp since I was watching it on the 4-hour, but I'm still happy with it because I did not too far from where it rejected, and it kind of has fallen down ever since. So happy with that trade. One trade that didn't go so well was Atom, and I had no business being in this trade. because it was so obvious. It had this kind of ascending wedge or ascending triangle here, which usually indicates it's going to break its level. So if it's going up, it'll break its resistance zone. If it's going down, it usually break its support zone. And so I had no business being in a short here. I was initially going to exit on this trend line once I did get in, but I got too greedy. That was a bad trade, but we're learning, so it's education. So my watches today, she's I think I was just watching to see if it pull back and test this zone as a support. And I think that's basically what all my watches are kind of like. Monero broke this trend range here, and I was waiting to see if it pull back and retest this zone as support. Same with Tezos, Trix, and Solana. So yeah, we're just looking for longs today, waiting for these supports to be tested, and yeah, looks like it's gonna be a good day for Bitcoin and crypto. So